Well, hi there folks. If you're lucky, you may have seen a build blog or two parts of build blog of my foam board plus Lidl wing super lightweight twin. Flew like a dream. Build blogs are linked below or at the end. I'm hoping it might be useful for local park and small scale FPV. So to that end, I've actually installed SpeedyBee in it. I can tell you it's a tight fit, no easy job. Let's take a look, and underneath that little bit of foam, which you can't see, is SpeedyBee F405 wing. Just in there is the twin speed controller, which I've only ever seen the one that I actually salvaged out of a He-Wing Hunter. And up front, squeezed in, FS6IA, which if you're going to use a flight controller, you do need a receiver with iBus. So it's all squeezed in there. Power is from 1000 milliamp 2S, which goes right up as far as it goes in the nose, and centre of gravity is about right with 15 grams of lead on the nose. I did try it with a 2000 2S for the extra duration, but the extra weight was just too much for it because it's very lightweight and tiny little motors. Anyway, next step was test it for loiter and return to home. So here's the video in my local park. Could have done with somewhere bigger. Right, nice easy takeoff. Even though the SpeedyBee only weighs a few extra grams, I can notice it does need a bit more throttle now. Okay, let's get a bit more height and then we'll try loiter. Right, so loiter works okay. Now I'm going to hit return to home. Bear in mind it does climb, so it's going to be affected more by the wind. Well, that's doing okay, but it takes a while to actually remember where home is and turn towards it. And I don't like its height over those trees, so I'm going to take control again just to make sure I don't end up in the trees. But that was okay. Loiter and return to home work. Next step is going to be, I think I'll probably test one of my cheap analog, very lightweight FPV cameras on it on a zero wind day because it is very light. But that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed it, why not hit the old like and please subscribe for more of my videos. Bye for now.